Have you ever felt like your legs were asleep every morning, slow to move, dull in reaction, and almost disconnected from your body? This isn't just a sign of aging. It may be your body warning you to wake up sleeping leg muscles after 60 before the situation worsens. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple leg movements after 60 that rehabilitation specialists recommend to safely and naturally activate your leg muscles at home. And don't skip exercise number 3, because this one technique has made a life-changing difference for thousands of seniors within just a few weeks. Exercise 1. Seated knee lifts. Wake up sleeping leg muscles after 60. Let's start with a movement that seems simple, but it's actually a critical first step to wake up sleeping leg muscles after 60. This move, known as seated knee lifts, is designed specifically for older adults. It helps restart your control over the quadriceps and lower abdominal muscles, 2 groups that tend to go dormant if you sit too much. All you need is a sturdy chair. Sit upright with both feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one foot off the ground. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower. Switch legs. Perform 10 reps per leg, 2 to 3 sets daily. The goal isn't speed. It's safe and controlled leg muscle activation for seniors. Think of it like retraining an old instrument, one step at a time. Why is this so important? According to Mayo Clinic, consistent light exercise increases blood flow to the lower body, enhances muscle reflexes, and reduces your risk of losing the ability to stand, one of the top causes of falls in older adults. In fact, many people over 60 don't realize that effective rehab for weak-legged seniors doesn't start with heavy workouts. It begins with gentle activation of the right muscles. Knee lifts improve balance and help restore muscle connection between your brain and your quads, connections that fade with inactivity. Another vital outcome is improved foot-to-leg response. When you lift your leg, your motor nerves from brain to foot kick back in. That can ease the sluggishness and delayed reflexes that make stairs and thresholds so intimidating. You can do this first thing in the morning or during a lunch break. Just a few minutes a day, and you'll notice real change in 2 to 3 weeks. This basic but essential move is your first step to a slow walking fix, naturally, without equipment or medication. A study published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy showed that basic lower limb activation can improve reflex time and stand-up ability by up to 30% in just 3 weeks for people over 65. That means just a few daily minutes may help you avoid walkers or caregiving dependency. And if your legs have been asleep too long, this is your call to reawaken them. But this is just the beginning. The second movement is gaining popularity among seniors across the US because it not only strengthens your legs, but also helps you regain control while standing and sitting, simple tasks that often become surprisingly difficult after 60. Let's get into it. If you've tried knee lifts before, or you feel your legs weakening for no clear reason, drop a 1 in the comments. I want to know how many of you are committed to restoring your mobility after 60. I'll be right here with you on that journey. Exercise 2, controlled sit-to-stands, reawaken leg strength. The second movement is one of the best ways to reawaken leg strength after 60, especially if you often feel weak or shaky when standing or rely on your hands to balance. Use a firm, high-back chair. Sit upright, feet flat, knees at 90 degrees. Keep your hands on your thighs or crossed over your chest to add challenge.
Stand up fully, then sit back down in a controlled way. Don't let yourself fall. Repeat 8 to 10 times, 4-2 rounds a day. This may seem like a small movement, but it's the foundation for real rehab for weak-legged seniors. Every stand trains your thighs, glutes, and core, the muscle groups that stabilize your entire body.
Tip 1, always choose a stable, non-wheeled chair and place it near a wall for added safety. Tip 2, if rising is hard, push lightly on your thighs for the first few reps, then wean off the support. Tip 3, breathe rhythmically. Inhale while sitting, exhale as you rise. This keeps your heart rate steady. Tip 4, avoid exercising right after meals or when feeling dizzy or tired. Listen to your body. This move also helps restore muscle connection between your brain and major lower body muscle groups. Controlled motion like this rebuilds reflexes and responsiveness, especially crucial after 60. You'll begin to feel more in sync with your foot-to-leg response. At first, you may tremble slightly or stand up slowly, but over time, you'll need less arm support, balance more easily, and lose the fear of leaving your seat. Many also report this exercise helps with slow walking fix. Once glutes and thighs are firing again, your stride becomes steadier and stronger, without that dragging sensation or constant need to look down. If you've taken a long break from movement or experienced mild numbness in your feet, doing this every morning is a powerful, low-risk way to wake up sleeping leg muscles after 60, no tools or supervision needed. And if this feels too easy, add resistance. Cross your arms or hold a light bottle for added challenge. Still, strength is just one part. What most people overlook is the neural link between muscle and movement, the hidden key to faster, smoother coordination. If you're serious about improving your leg strength and flexibility, check out my playlist, Leg Strength and Amp. Mobility for Seniors. It's packed with simple yet powerful exercises for older adults. Practice them during your morning routine or while resting midday. Today's moves are only a fraction of the total recovery plan in that playlist. Let's move on because exercise number 3 is the one that will not only boost strength, but also sharpen your reaction time, thanks to its deep nerve muscle reactivation focus. Exercise 3, heel-to-toe alternation, nerve muscle reactivation. This final movement goes beyond muscle. It retrains the often neglected connection between nerves and balance controlling muscles in people over 60. The heel-toe alternation is designed for nerve muscle reactivation, and you can do it safely at home. Stand tall, gently holding onto a sturdy surface like a wall or chair back for balance. First, lift your toes while keeping heels down. Hold for 3 seconds. Then reverse. Place your toes down and lift your heels. Alternate for 10 to 15 reps, 2 sets per day. Many people don't feel the effects right away. That's normal. One common mistake is moving too fast without holding the position long enough. This short-circuits the signal from brain to foot, limiting your ability to restore muscle connection. Another frequent issue is leaning too far forward or backward, throwing off your balance and weakening the muscle work around your ankles, the critical area for foot-to-leg response. Now, I have a question for you. When doing this exercise, which part feels harder, heel or toe? If heels are harder, comment heel. If toes are weaker, comment toe. I'll review every comment and create follow-up content tailored to your needs. Doing this consistently won't just reawaken leg coordination, it also supports rehab for weak leg seniors as part of a structured routine. The heel-to-toe movement actively reestablishes brain-foot communication, helping with slow walking fix, a common concern among seniors. And if you've already done exercises 1 and 2 and felt some progress, this is the missing piece to full leg muscle activation seniors need. Together, these 3 moves build strength, restore motor control, and promote confident, independent movement. Remember, don't rush. Focus, breathe, and make these simple leg movements after 60 part of your daily healing habit. And if these exercises resonate with your body right now, that Leg Strength and Amp Mobility for Seniors playlist is your go-to for deeper recovery. These 3 exercises don't just build leg strength, they help restore reflexes and coordination between your brain and lower body. Practice them daily to notice real change with every step. If you've tried any of them, let me know your experience in the comments. I read every reply to understand how best to support you and our community. And don't forget to watch the full Leg Strength and Amp Mobility for Seniors playlist, where I've compiled even more expert-backed exercises to help you regain balance, reflexes, and foot control one step at a time.